Okay, we're at gotomath.com working on some calculus. We're down here at Rules of Differentiation, and that's the section we're in. We got the y is equal to 9 over the square root of 9x minus 8, and we want to take the derivative of this. And I need to make sure that I remember that. 9x minus 8, and we got a 9 in the numerator. Okay. I think in a previous one in this section I wrote the wrong problem down, but I mean it's the same problem, but different constants and coefficients. I guess we better get over to the whiteboard and get busy before we run out of time. We have y is equal to 9 over the square root of, and under the square root is 9x minus 8. Now we're supposed to be using the quotient rule in this problem. However, the reason I constructed this problem was to show you, okay, we're not taking the derivative yet, is to show you that even though we got this fraction here, it doesn't necessarily mean we need to use the quotient rule, or the quotient rule is really maybe not the best choice for us to take the derivative. Okay, and I'm going to use the quotient rule. Alright, and check this out. So the derivative of the top is 0 times the bottom. We just rewrite the bottom, minus the top, which is 9. And now we take the derivative of the bottom. So we take the half, bring it out front. Right, 9x minus 8. Subtract 1 from the exponent, which makes that a negative a half. And then we take the derivative of the inside, bring it out, which is a 9. And then it's all over the bottom. Okay, this is raised to the half now, remember, but it's all over the bottom squared. Alright, so let's try to clean this up a little bit. We got y prime is equal to, all that's going to be 0. We're going to have a negative out here. We've got 9 times 9, of course, looks like 81. And so we're going to have negative 81. Now, I'm going to take this 2 down here into the denominator, okay? And also, I guess while we're at it, okay, let's look at this. A half times 2 is 1. So we end up with 9x minus 8. Alright, and I'm going to put a parentheses around this because I'm going to go ahead and take this down into the denominator. Since it's a negative, right, we take it down here. 9x minus 8. And it becomes a positive a half. Alright, and so now we have 81 over, we have this negative out front right here, and I'm going to add the exponents, so this becomes 2 times 9x minus 8 raised to the 3 halves. So there you go, there's your derivative. Now, we could have actually taken this original problem and rewrote it like this. 9x minus 8. Now I'm not taking the derivative. Okay. Then take the derivative of this. Alright. And this is, in this particular one where we just have a constant up here in the numerator and nothing else but a constant, I highly suggest that you do it this way. So try doing this problem this way, taking the derivative of it, alright, and seeing if you come up with that. Let's quickly see what we got there, right? Okay, that should be the same thing. Negative 981 or 2 to 980, yeah, okay. Alright, so we're in that section, practice. Gotomath.com.